So how can you increase the volume in a video on the iPad? Let's explain that. If you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. Obviously, if you're just watching a video, you can go to the control center and bump up the volume of that. That's pretty simple. But if you permanently want to change the volume of a specific video, you'll need to use a video editor. There are a few options. For example, even using iMovie, which is from Apple, it's kind of like it's free to use and it's pretty simple. But even in there, you have the ability to import your clips to a timeline, select it like that, click on the volume option, and you can bump it up to as much as 500%. So you can 5x the volume of a video like this. You can also lower the volume inside of the iMovie, but do whatever you need. Once you are done, just click on Done and export the video in your iPad, save it in the Photos app, and you will have a video which will have 5 times or however many times more the volume, right? So that's how it works. Outside of that, the iMovie, well, I mean, iMovie is okay, but it doesn't have some crucial features which I like the aspect ratio change and stuff like this. So instead, I personally use the CapCut video editor, which is again a free app with some paid additional features, but for free you can bring in your videos into the timeline, again selected at the bottom, and just bump up the volume the very same way, right? So yeah, I kind of prefer using CapCut over iMovie, but you can bump up the volume and increase it in your videos using both softwares. So let me know in the comments below which option you prefer, or if you manage to do it. Most definitely stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.